counties in North Carolina, Davidson, and Davie.
In a humid air mass. Times with these rain showers. Maximum at 7. The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a flash flood warning for Western Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, western Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated torrential rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. A few gravel could become washed out along with small stream flash flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Westfield, Monroe, Huntington, Buckland, Russell, Ashfield, Coleraine, West Hampton, Granville, Chester, Charlemont, Langford, Chesterfield, Worthington, Goshen, Cummington, Montgomery, Heath, Plainfield, and Middlefield. A flash flood warning means that flooding will occur quickly and could be life-threatening for those who try to drive through flooded roads or underpasses. Find alternate routes. Those near small streams need to get to higher ground immediately. The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued
About time!
watch in effect through Thursday morning. The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has expanded the flash flood watch to include portions of northern Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island, including the following counties in northern Connecticut: Hartford, Tolland, and Windham. In Massachusetts: Bristol, Essex, Middlesex, Norfolk, Plymouth, Suffolk, and Worcester. In Rhode Island: Bristol, Kent, Newport, Providence, and Washington. Through Thursday, morning bands of showers and a few embedded thunderstorms with localized torrential rainfall are expected at times through tonight. While rainfall amounts may vary considerably over short distances, rainfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour are possible in some locations. This may result in the potential for both localized small stream as well as urban flash flooding. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Beep! Beep! Beep!
The offshore...
Albany, please don't fuck me over so... Thank you! Litchfield! Finally!
a.m. Thursday and 3:36 p.m. Thursday. At Newport, high tide is at 7:26 p.m. Wednesday and 7:44 a.m. Thursday. Low tide is at 9:00 a.m. Thursday and 12:49 p.m. Thursday. Here are the 7 p.m. observations. At Bradley Airport, light rain was falling.
Oh!
Flash flood watch in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. The National Weather Service in Albany has expanded the flash flood watch to include the Berkshires, northwestern Connecticut, and east central New York, Albany, Columbia, Dutchess, eastern Greene, Rensselaer, eastern Schenectady, eastern Ulster, and southern Saratoga counties. Until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, showers with locally heavy rainfall along with chances for thunderstorms will continue into the overnight hours. Runoff from heavy rainfall with rates exceeding an inch an hour at times could result in flash flooding of small streams, creeks, and brooks, as well as in urban areas and possibly road washouts. Minor flooding may also occur along main stem rivers. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Now we wait for WXJ42 to go off.
The following are coastal weather shore reports on Long Island Sound, if available. As of 7 p.m. at Mount Sinai, wind was south at 9 miles an hour. At Norwalk, temperature was 73 degrees. Wind was south at 10 miles an hour. Flash flood watch in effect through Thursday morning. The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has expanded the flash flood watch to include portions of northern Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island, including the following counties in northern Connecticut, Hartford, Tolland, and Windham in Massachusetts. Flash flood watch in effect until 4 a.m. Thursday. The National Weather Service in Albany has expanded the flash flood watch to include the Berkshires, northwestern Connecticut, and in east central New York, Albany, Columbia, Dutchess, eastern Greene, Rensselaer, eastern Schenectady, eastern Ulster, and southern Saratoga counties. Until 4 a.m. Thursday, showers with locally heavy rainfall along with chances for thunderstorms will continue into the overnight hours. Runoff rainfall with rates exceeding an inch an hour at times could result in flash flooding of small streams, creeks, and brooks, as well as in urban areas and possibly road washouts. Minor flooding may also occur along main stem rivers. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Flash flood watch in effect through Thursday morning. The National Weather Service in rates exceeding an inch an hour at times could result in flash flooding of small streams, creeks, and brooks, as well as in urban areas and possibly road washouts. Minor flooding may also occur along main stem rivers. A flash flood watch means that conditions. The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a flood warning for western Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, western Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain that will cause flooding. Up to 3 inches of rain has already fallen in some places along the east slopes of the Berkshires earlier today. Another area of moderate to heavy rainfall is expected to move over the same general area between 10:30 p.m. and 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Some locations that will experience flooding include Westfield, Northampton, Suffield, Monroe, Southwick, Southampton, Williamsburg, Huntington, Buckland, Conway, Shelburne, Russell, Ashfield, Coleraine, West Hampton, Granville, Chester, Charlemont, Blandford, and Chesterfield. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring.
Do not drive through roads or underpasses that are flooded. Avoid flooded areas near small streams and move to higher ground immediately.
Flash flood watch in effect.
Excuse me.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a flood warning for western Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, western Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
You really relate the
At
same one
10:07 p.m.
twice.
Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain that will cause flooding. locations that will experience flooding include Westfield, Northampton, Suffield, Monroe, Southwick, Southampton, Williamsburg, Huntington, Buckland, Conway, Shelburne, Russell, Ashfield, Coleraine, West Hampton, Granville, Chester, Charlemont, Blandford, and Chesterfield. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. Do not drive through roads or underpasses that are flooded. Avoid flooded areas near small streams and move to higher ground immediately. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flood advisory for Fairfield County in...
Excuse me, Albany, but do you happen to know what the fuck you're doing? Huh? I was just sitting here minding my own damn business, and then my WR300 version 1 just started fucking going off randomly, and it's because you told the fucking flood warning twice. You want to explain that? Huh?
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for lodges in less than 1 Point New York out 20 nautical miles, Long Island Sound east from Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing water spouts was located 11 nautical miles northwest of Buoy 44,000 to 17, moving north at 25 knots. Hazard, water spouts and winds gust 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe flooding near the Bay and Gardeners Bay around 12:45 a.m. Gardeners Island around 12:50 a.m. Western Block Island Sound and Plum Island around 1 a.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the forecast for eastern Long Island. Tonight, a chance of thunderstorms. A chance of shower.
Oh yeah, sure, just as I was about to fucking cop out for the night, you wake me up with this bullshit.